Hey, what's up guys, I'm Len here. Today in this video we're gonna do an unboxing of this Jogger wireless stereo headphones. The model name is QY7 Jogger Bluetooth earphone. So this is not a regular earphone, this is a Bluetooth stereo headphones with mic. So this is the package, guys. I got this package from Paytm mall, so I'll be linking the product in the down below. This is probably available in Amazon or either Flipkart, so if I find, I'll definitely link the product in the description below. So taking a look at the back of the box, we have some of the features mentioned, like it's wireless with the Bluetooth 4.1, sound quality is good, built-in mic so you can take and end calls for this one, and it's a rechargeable battery. So it comes with the rechargeable battery and up to 8 hours of talk time or the play time. So I'm not sure about this because this is a budget earphone. I got this earphone at around 450 rupees. So if you go to Paytm mall or if you go to Amazon, you should be able to get this product by that price range. So here it says, here it gives a picture for this earphone, and this side it says wireless with 4.1. so as you see, this is the package itself. So let me just open this package and see. Okay, so let me just take this out. Okay, cool. So these are all the accessories that we get with this product. So there's a small little manual that we get, that let me just see that. So it gives you a basic idea how to use the earphone and also how to recharge this earphone as well. So also it gives you the accessory list, introduction, and the functions of the earphone, how if you're for the first time using any earphone. So let me just keep these things aside. Let me see what else we get in the box. So as you can see, this is a USB cable just to charge this earphone. So if you run out of battery, you can charge this earphone by this cable. So I guess this is quite a small cable. So as you can see, there's a USB to micro USB cable. So normally if you have phone chargers, you can just normally charge this earphone with the help of the micro USB cable. So this should not be an issue. So let this thing be aside. Okay, so here is the main product. Let me just take that out. So this is the earphone itself. As you can see, this the earphones, and it has kind of an angular shape, and also as you can see, these are the earbuds. And I'm surprised to see that with these earphones we don't get additional pairs of earbuds. So, and also this thing is given so it fits on your ear perfectly, and while walking out and while you're exercising, it doesn't fall off from the ear. So this thing is given. I have to see how's the fit. Probably I'll make a separate video regarding how's the sound and how's the fit, whether this thing is worth purchasing or not. So if you take a closer look at this one, so you got the option to receive the call, take and end call. So this option is there, and there's nothing more. And yes, there's one more option to control the volume. This is minus and this is plus. So good thing is that you don't have to take out your phone. So with the help of this thing, you should be able to control the volume of the music as well. So here, taking at the look, this looks like the power button, and there should be a micro USB port just to charge the earphone. As you can see, this is the micro USB port. So with the help of this port, you should be able to charge the earphone as well. And see, this is the complete length of this earphone. So yeah, so this is the complete earphone itself. So let me just power this earphone on. Let me just tap this button. Okay, so when you switch it on, it gives you kind of this notification, blue and red kind of color. So let me just get to my phone and let me just turn on the Bluetooth, and we will try it pairing with my phone. As you can see, let me just turn on my Bluetooth, and it's trying to find the device. Okay, it got the device already. As you can see, it's mentioned QY7. So let me just tap that. It's getting paired. As you can see, it's getting connected. So now it's connected, as you can see. So after it's connected, this light will go off, as you can see, and it shows here it's connected. And as you can see, this is the earphone itself, and this is already connected with my phone, as you can see. So let me just play any song and let me just see. let me just open YouTube. Let me try to find any of the music. Probably should be able to get that one. Okay, so as you can see, I'm playing YouTube. This is a great channel, by the way, Lakey inspired. All the musics are awesome. I use this kind of musics in my videos, so if you're into royalty free musics and all, definitely check his link out in the description. It's Lakey inspired. So let me just put this earphones on and let me just see how's the sound quality. As you can see, you probably should be able to hear something. Okay, so sound quality I have to test, and also I have to test at the same time for how long this earphones is gonna stay. I mean, what is the talk time, what is the playback time for this earphone. So this earphones, let me just talk about the build quality as well. There's a cheap plastic that they have used, and this earphones is like, it's under 500 rupees, so I cannot expect more than this. But yeah, this is the earphone itself, and this plastic is feels very cheap, not that great quality plastic they have used in this earphone, and this is in black. So also this earphone comes in green and red color as well. So while finding the earphones, you should be able to choose the color option as well. So yeah, that was a video for today. I just unboxed these earphones, and this is an initial impression of this earphone. I'm not sure how would be the sound quality as well as the playback and call time, so I need to check that. Probably I'll make a separate video for that, saying how's the sound quality for this earphone and how is the playback time. So then again, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then kind of give it a thumbs up, and also till now, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, definitely I would love to have you subscribe. Then again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.